Hi everybody, welcome to Sunya IAS. I have an important update for you. Sunya IAS has come up with the forestry optional for the students preparing for Indian Forest Services. Okay, and I'll tell you what we have to offer. So, for example, you are preparing for forestry. This is going to be a one-stop solution. Okay, why? Because what we have done, we have tried to consolidate all the important sources and provide this to you in the form of very high yielding lectures. You do these lectures and you are good to go. You're good to write mains and get very good marks here. How will that happen? Every lecture, in every topic, every subtopic, you will have important keywords. There will be very important diagrams. Now, diagrams are the backbone of forestry. Okay, for every topic, there will be very easy diagrams which you can actually replicate in the exam. Okay, and there will be very important case studies, relevant case studies, updated current affairs, and examples. So, there are some important conservation efforts, some livelihood support, rehabilitation efforts. Okay, different techniques, let's say, to save the mangroves, wetlands, so on and so forth, important timbering or related updates, okay, updates on ethnobotany, all those things are included here. Okay, so what you have is the lectures which will be provided to you and all these things which will give you an edge and that will differentiate your answers. Okay, then this is also followed by previous year discussion of every topic and every subtopic. Okay, so whatever questions have come, including the year 2022, okay, that has been covered. So in fact, this is the basic set of lectures, and additionally previous year question discussion that will give you a very good conceptual understanding as to how to attempt the paper. All right, then we will have a lot of mind maps, and how that helps, that will be helping you in very quick revision. You are done with the topic, see its mind map, everything is detailed, and you are done. Okay, then additionally, let's say you have a problem, you have some doubts, there are some topics, for example, silviculture systems, or let's say forest mensuration, there are some other topics as well. Okay, you have a problem, and let's say if you want to understand it, I can also discuss, and we will have some doubt solving sessions. Okay, so that it becomes an interactive process. All right, and all of this combined will help you have a very deep level understanding which is needed to score very high marks in forestry. Okay, so that forestry and the other optional combined, you get very high marks, and finally you are able to get your coveted dream of the Indian Forest Services. Okay, and how do I aim to achieve that? You will have very interactive and very revision friendly PowerPoint presentations. Okay, a lot of diagrams and a lot of images will be there. Okay, so that your job becomes easy and you have to spend less time at least on forestry. Okay, so there will be people who will be giving civils mains, so they will have limited time, even they can utilize it, and of course the people who have more time at their disposal, of course they can revise it even multiple times. So it is suitable for both the candidates. Okay, then you will have a lot of important, let's say, mind maps, etc. And in fact, through my lectures I'll show you, and through the previous year questions I'll show how only these set of lectures will be very useful to get a very good grasp and good marks in the exam. All right, then good current affairs examples, linkages, case studies, etc. will be there. Okay, so you always have something additional to write in the content, whatever updates, rules, amendments, etc. there, all the analysis part of it will also be a part of this course. Okay, so again, for example, you are covering mangroves and cold desert as a topic. The most important update, for example, the report of 2022 by the Global Mangrove Alliance is also covered, and all the relevant details related to that. Okay, and then, for example, a case study in the Beali Reserve Forest of Assam for related to deforestation. Similar such conservation initiatives will also be covered. All right. Now, let me summarize what all we have to offer. So, yes, you will be provided with a set of lectures, and again, you don't have to refer anything beyond it. Everything will be covered here. This will be followed by handouts wherever needed, and of course, the PPT, etc. of this, right? Previous year question discussion is a part of it, and you will have doubt solving sessions, which I already told you, doubt solving, mentorship, etc. that will help you. And lastly, after every topic is done, let's say we are done with paper 1 section A. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll quickly revise the entire paper 1 section A. So there will be revision sessions as well. Okay, so though the people who have done this, at least now they revise it also with me, so that will give you a very good and a clear understanding of this. Okay, so I believe that when you do this, the optional forestry with Sunya IAS, you will get a very good understanding, and ultimately that will help you in Indian Forest Services. Okay, So if you have more queries and updates, you can see the description section. You may contact the admission team, and that would be helpful overall in your preparation. I'll meet you in the course. All the very best for your exam. Thank you.